Hello friends! Today I'll show you 4 ways to create a sleek low bun. But firstly, I'll show you how I'm making the base for these buns. First of all, if you will have dirty hair, this is a good start. You can use oil, smoothing cream, any other smoothing products that you have. If you don't, you can use just water, and afterwards you can use some hairspray to fix everything in place. You'll need some special brushes with natural looking bristles. Also, you can use a kabuki brush if you want to make it shiny. So as you can see, I'm making first my parting, then I'm using oil and smoothing products. Now I'm using this brush with natural looking bristles, and I'm brushing all around my hair to make it smooth and nice. Also, I'll use a wax stick. I have it laying around, but as I told you, you can use just water and hairspray at the end. It will work just as fine, or you can use simple hair gel. So when your hair is nice, shiny and smooth, you can tie your hair elastic. So as you can see, our base is ready. Now you want to grab another elastic and tie it a little lower. Then grabbing your ponytail, you want to divide it into two, bring it up, twist your ends, crisscross them on top, and then bring them down, crisscross them again, and you want to continue over and over until you have no more hair to cross, and then you can use some bobby pins to fix everything in place. For the next one, you want to tie your ponytail halfway through, like so. Divide your ends into two, make an opening, make sure to brush your ends. You can use your fingers to make an opening through your ponytail, or use this topsy tail tool and bring this section through the tool like I'm showing. And you want to repeat on other side, brush your ends, bring your tool through opposite side and bring, of course, the ends through it. Then grabbing the ends, you want to wrap it around your bun and hide it and fix it in place with bobby pins or grips. Next one, you want to tie your hair halfway through, leaving the ends down. Now you want to grab your ends through the opening of our loop created, like I'm showing. I'll use this topsy tail tool, but this is totally optional. You can use just only your fingers and bring the ends through it. You want to grab the ends around your elastic, like so, and then you want to bring it through the elastic underneath to hide it. Wrap the ends around your created bun and pin it from the sides like I'm showing. You can see here my elastic, so I decided to bring it up and pin it too. Next, you want to grab your ponytail, use a little more product, or as I said, some water. Divide your ponytail into two, twist each section one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. You want to continue these steps over and over again until you finish your rope braid. So you twist each strand one way and then you twist them around each other opposite way. When you reach the ends, make sure to tie the ends with a clear elastic. Also, you can use some hairspray to fix it and make it shiny. And then you want to wrap your braid around your base, hide the ends and pin everything in place. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's sleek low bun hairstyles ideas. In my opinion, these are so unique and so easy to make. Don't forget about like, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles for more. Love you so much and see you soon in my next one. Bye!